Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Code with Eshaal. And as I told you in my latest post, that we are going to explore and observe different tools that you can also use in your daily lives. Nowadays, almost all of the tools are paid, but we're going to try our best to find free alternatives to each tool. In each video, we'll cover one or two tools. So, for today's video, we are using Canva. We'll have to cover this tool in two videos because of the large variety of options and possibilities. In here, we can design posters, logos, whiteboards, and much more. If you're a person who's creative and wants to prove yourself, Canva is the best tool for you. Starting off, so first of all, we're gonna have a look at the features. So, one of the best designing tools available for free offers a large variety of elements and graphics to decorate your work, allows you to insert as many images from Google you want to, comes with templates which you can easily adjust according to your needs, has boards of different sizes used for different purposes, has an inbuilt AI in which you can make animations, you can edit and use them in your work, edit them as much as you want. So here are some cool things I made using Canva. This one was a template, and I changed the picture in here and the text. I added these vivid leaves by my own, and then I have this thing. So basically, I just use the transparency feature to and decrease the transparency of this beer you can see in the background, and the rest is not very complex, very easy. Then I have this Pakistan poster which has this was also a template. I added new pictures and titles and pictures and titles, all that. Starting off, how to open Canva. You can see the steps on the screen, and all we have to do is just go to Google, search Canva like this. Canva, simple Canva, nothing else. There's no need to write logo. It's just Canva. There you go. Visual Street for everyone. Canva. Wait for it to open. Sign up in it. If you're new to Canva, click the first link that appears and sign up your using email and password, and you will get this homepage that is loading currently. Starting off with the top, it Canva also offers us a pro program, but it has payment, so we don't need it because it offers a large variety of stuff in free. Basically, there's no need for it. Waste, complete waste. So okay, now we're gonna start with the AI. Just click on this bar, and then we have some options. Design for me, create an image, draft a doc, code for me. Create a video clip as a paid feature. I mean, this crown over here means that it's paid and we can't do it, but these four image options are completely free. So in design for me, let's just ask it to design digital. Let's forget about digital. Hand drawn poster about the cat eye nebula. It's a really cool feature. I personally love it. Now it's creating what we asked it to, and it's kind of fun actually. So, okay, it's working. It doesn't take so much long, it's just seconds. There we have this amazing poster about Cat Eye Nebula. So, let's start viewing what it created. It basically creates four options per request. Now, Cosmic Wonders, Cat Eye Nebula. Join us in exploring the vibrant colors of the Cat Eye Nebula. Just look at it. Then we have the second one. I don't really like it because it's kind of waste, I could call it. So let's go on to the third one. So the third one over here is kind of nice. Basically, it's the fourth or the third. Yeah, it's the third. Cat Nebula, also known as NGC 6543, is one of the most studied planetary nebula in the night sky. Its captivating colors and intricate patterns are a result of the dying star at its center, shedding its outer layer. The fascinating nebula is located in the constellation Draco and is approximately 3,000 light years from Earth. Witness the beauty of this celestial wonder. This is really cool. I kind of like it. Just look at it. The pictures, the everything. Then we have the fourth last option. Discover the wonders of the Cat Eye Nebula. Awaits you, the vibrant comic masterpiece in space. Explore the beauty of the cosmos. Really great site. Okay, so over here we can edit colors. And look at this. I think this one's pretty cool, kinda. I like it. Look at this. It's best. It's the best. Okay, if I ever need about a poster about Cat Eye Nebula, I'm gonna probably use this one. We could also change the colors of this one. I hope the pictures don't change. Of course not. Okay, so I think that's not really cool, is it? I mean, yellow color is not really nice. That's kind of cool. But if it was blue, it would be better. And now it's purple, so it's not really good. But yeah, fine. I mean, I could do. Anyways, moving on. We can't spend all the time on one poster after all. So, and let's have a bit of, let's do it about the 8 planets, the 8 planets. So, in the 8 planets, we have, let's see what we've got. So, the 8 planets. Okay, got it. Let's see with this only poster, the 8 planets, what does it do? I the hands-on Cat Nebula poster in my mouth. Okay, it's done something like it's adding the 8 planets to the Cat Nebula. Actually, I didn't ask it to do this. Just the planets. Let's see if it does understand something. Okay. Okay, you got it. Just the planets. Give me a moment. Basically, this one's kind of cool. Let's have a look on Cat Nebula. Hospitals. Okay. Oh my God. Look at it. Artistic sketch style. Yeah, it is artistic. Like it's kind of aesthetic or something. Basically, it's cool. Unique characteristics of each planet. It's so cool. I think the first one from here and in these I choose this one or maybe this one. I don't really like these graphics. Let's see if we can delete it. No, we can't. Anyways, we can once we go into Canva editor, and we're not doing that because that's kind of advanced feature or something. Like not advanced in pro, like in use, in sense of uses. Now let's go out with design. Create an image. Um, Style. Let's do Ghibli maybe. Um, I'm not gonna select any style because I'm gonna go in Ghibli. A teenage girl sitting on a desk in a Ghibli style. We can also generate images while working on Canva, so that's kind of extra cool feature, you know. What does just happen? Okay, so it's not working basically. I don't know what happened, but let's just select the style from here because maybe it's not okay. Let's just a pop art. Um, what do we say? A calculator maybe. I don't know. Why I'm doing this? That's because I can see a calculator on my desk, so I'm just using a calculator for that. I don't think that any problem with the policies or etc. Because what's the deal? Ah, it's kind of cool, isn't it? I think this one's the best. This one's kind of basic, and I like this or this. This is too wide, and this is the perfect one. So Yeah, I think this is the most cool one. And these four options available, it generates one every time you draft a doc. We're not gonna try that because that's kind of professional. The code for me is a new feature, and let's just make an interactive certificate. So when we click on this, it gives a prompt, make an interactive certificate for my appreciation of my coworker Alex and the whole team to thank them for their hard work with keeping the office running smoothly over the last year. Your content and constantly exploding everywhere. Use a hover tilt effect. So you're gonna soon find out what is hover tilt effect because that's very cool. And anyways, let's just add. You could also change the name and everything. You could do a certificate for anything you want, not just appreciation for my coworker, anything. Add a badge maybe. Okay. Saying best performance. Not performance spelling wrong. No. Performance. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Add a badge saying best performance. I don't know what's gonna do with the badge, but let's say over to the fridge. And the most cool thing, it shows you all the code. Whenever you're having a problem in the code, you could just do Canva AI, which is like kind of different from the rest of their features, but you could use it for finding out code about it. It's so, kind of it feels illegal. But okay, confetti animation, there are notes also that you could read to understand what each code does. The style tags, everything is so cool. Basically, I've learned some coding, basic coding, so I can understand kind of it all the CSS properties. If you have also done it, so you will understand. It creates. Oh my God, this is okay. What about the hover tilt? Feature. So when I hover my mouse, it sort of tilts excellence in service, and it created this thing as a badge. I wanted a different, but we can get more confetti actually. And then we could also show code and also unshow it kind of, and we could go copy code. I saw the option. All right. Moving on from the Canva AI, as we have discovered all its features that are available in free, there are recent chats and a bit of, oh my god, they just added a bit of new these features. But we're gonna do more advanced in the next thing. So now we're gonna go to the main homepage, and this was this one opening. Then we have a lot of these options: logo, Instagram post, feed, docs, whiteboard, presentation, social media, photo editor, video, website, everything. A lot of things are extraordinarily cool. Now let's just go to this logo template, which is 500 x 500 pixels, and I think it's kind of fine for us now. We can go more detailed later on. More. What it does is that you have these templates that you could edit. Let's just say we are making a logo for Baskin Robbins. So we don't have to add just a B, just the R over here, Baskin Robbins. Delete this and Baskin Robbins. Just add their name. Click it, and there you go. You're ready to go. And now you could also change the color, like because it's pink and blue. And for that, we could go to the design again, and then over here from the styles and search styles. Let's say pink and blue. Let's search pink and blue, and let's see if we can find anything. Search for pink and blue. Okay, these is the palette we received, and it's kind of cool. It's really cool. It's not applying the green color. I don't know why, but okay, we could do this. So it does basically. But I basically love the first one because that was kind of fitting for Baskin Robbins, blue and pink and white. So it's kind of cool. It just sort of did it itself. I didn't do it anything. So this is the template. I didn't do anything basically except writing the names. And then if you go over here, Canva, the logo, and then over here, upload section, and then go to Google or any browser you have. Let's say Pink Star. Why was saying sound like a Pink Star? Okay, I got the images. Oh, okay. We could also go to Wikipedia, but I thought because Wikipedia is a bit detailed, so I don't want to go into detail. Just drag an image, bring it in over here, drag contents to upload, and there you go. And it's working. Cool. Click on it, and there you got the star. Basically, it's not transparent over here, but you can also get transparent images. And if you want transparent images, we also have a BG remover inside Canva, but it is basically paid. So if you wanna remove the uh, background for free, just go to Google, write remove.bg, and over here the first link. Over here, click it. Okay. Thanks. We're gonna go again and drag this. Remove.bg, drop image anywhere, and there's removing the background for us. Yeah, so quick. I didn't do anything. It was really so quick. I just downloaded it, and I downloaded quite a few images before also because I use it. Let's just go over here, delete this one, upload files, just press the button over here, and perfect. Transparent images of a pink star. Got it. See? And just the size. And there you go. Looking more pretty, kinda. Not the star, you could add any image from Google. Remove.bg could do the remove background job, and you're ready to go. Isn't it sort of cool? I think, yeah. So it's okay. Now, moving on to other things because we have a lot to discover rather than just the uploads. Because anyone can do uploads. Google has a lot of images, but it's sort of a long process. Like go to Google or search, find the perfect image, and then remove.bg and then download, and then it of course also utilizes your laptop space when you download something, and then you have to delete it if you want to waste your space, and then you have to like select every image and delete it and check it if it's important or not, and that's kind of hectic. So we're gonna go for the element section, the second to design. Look at this. I have quite a few of them in my recently used. I'm just gonna go over here to a new a new page, and you could also add pages over here. And okay, I got a white screen. I have a lot of these templates, I love those. We could also get moving graphics, just like the butterfly you're seeing. So first of all, it comes to shapes. You have a large variety of shapes according to your preferences. Now, I'll just take the square for now. Okay, the default color was green because the last time I uploaded an image, it was sorry, uploaded a shape. I selected the color green, but now you could choose any color. Like document colors that are already present in this page, and then color palette, and then photo colors, the Baskin Robbins one, of course, and then default solid colors, and then default gradient colors. Okay, we also have another few more options. Not just few, basically. There are a lot of them. Just look at this. Is it chili milly? Cool. Ah, lovely, lovely. Just check on this. And then see all from default solid colors. Oh my god, it has the whole swatches. No, this can't be true. Just look at it. Okay, we also have the hex codes over here, but okay. We could also find out the hex codes from over here, and then when it comes to hex codes, what are hex codes? Basically, hex codes are a set of numbers are and alphabets combined, which represent a color, which inform how to make a color. So we're just gonna find out the green color hex code. The hex code for green is this, and 00FF00. And apart from that, we have a lot of other options. Like you can see, when we go to images, we have a whole palette that is really cool. You could choose any color you want, or like from over here, like I suppose I was just scrolling the internet and I loved this color, so I could just and I want to add this in my so it was just 469D89. 469D89. We're just gonna go to Canva. We're just gonna go to Canva and over here at hashtag. Okay, hashtag and over here. Let's just get the hex code. 469D89. 469. Why did I even open it? 469. I can't just remember the code. 469. 469D89. There you go. You found the color. The one you saw from the internet, the very same. The hex codes for the colors are universally same, and you don't have to worry about that. What if this website represents it as a different color? There's nothing like that. You are free from tension of that. So then we have this graphics image that you could use, and it's kind of really cool because you have a lot of options, and they're basically organized: sketchy flowers, hand-drawn love, organic sketch to fruits, girl power, and a lot of varieties. So then we have stickers, photos, charts, polls, and quizzes, which you can edit according to yourself, and then sheets, and then tables, and then frames, and then grids, and then mockups. What are mockups basically? It's just that you could make a person wearing a shirt which has the picture of your preference. It's just like a frame on a picture, on a T-shirt. So it's kind of cool. And then tables, you can add just the tables according to your preferences. And then the photos are basically for backgrounds. Like you could see over here, I have used some photos for background. When you're creating something, you could add gradient and then this pretty brown traditional look, and then magic recommendations. There are actually a ton of them. Look at this. It's looking so pretty. If you just add an Arabic text on it, it's just gonna look so cool. You could change the color, any color in the world, in the whole world basically. And then charts, polls and quizzes, sheets, tables, frames, and all of the stuff. There are a lot of options. So I think that's it for today, and we can explore the rest of the features tomorrow. And I'm gonna upload a new video very soon. And that's it for today, guys. Enough exploring. Hope you had fun, and see ya. And don't forget to subscribe or share. Hope you had fun. Thank you so much.